Good morning to you all. Welcome to the maths class. So, in our today's topic, we will start doing addition, and I'll tell you addition is done horizontally as well as vertically. The answer in the both cases will be same. Let us start with the addition in horizontal case. Okay? So, we will use this number line to count our numbers whatsoever are given. So, let us start with our first example, that is 5 and 2. So, our first jump will be from 0 to 5. Next, another 2 jumps, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. So, our answer is 7. In second case, our first jump will be 0 to 2 and next 4 jumps, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. So the answer is 6. So in our third example, that is 1 and 4, our first jump will be from 0 to 1. Then another 4 jumps, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So our answer is 5. So another 3 and 2. So our first jump will be from 0 to 3 and another 2 jumps, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So our answer is 5. 3 and 6. So our first jump will be from 0 to 3. 0 to 3 our first jump, then 3 to 4 first, 4 to 5 second and 5 to 6 third jump. And we have to take 6. Then 6 to 7, 4, 7 to 8, 5 and 8 to 9, 6. So our answer is 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Next, 2 plus 2. That means our first jump is from 0 to 2. Then another 2 jumps we have to take. 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So the answer is 4. Okay, that's all for horizontally. Now come to the vertically. Vertically also we can do the same, but only the method of writing is one is at the top and another is under that. Okay, at its bottom. Like 7 we will write at the top and the next number will be right at the bottom. Okay, and we will start doing this vertically. Like first jump is from 0 to 7, 0 to 7 and one more 7 to 8. So the answer is 8. The second in this case, first jump is from 0 to 3. First jump is from 0 to 3 and another 4 jumps we have to take, like 3 to 4 1, 4 to 5 2, 5 to 6 3 and 6 to 7 4. So the answer is 7. 5 and 4. Like 5 and 4, the first jump will be from 0 to 5. 0 to 5 will be our first jump. 0 to 5. Another 4 numbers like 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. So the answer is 9. At the last, 4 plus 2 means first jump is from 0 to 4 and another 2 jumps from 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. So the answer is 6. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.